This video is intended for informational purposes only. Attempting to replicate or tamper with electrical components can be dangerous and should only be done by qualified professionals. The content shown is not a guide or recommendation for any actions, and the creator disclaims any responsibility for any harm or damage resulting from attempting similar actions. Viewers are advised to prioritize safety and consult experts when dealing with electrical issues.
Before getting started, turn off the main electrical supply.
How to remove the top cover.
To remove the top cover, push the plastic tab on both sides and lift the lid. The previous wiring was faulty and burnt, leaving the mark on the roof. This instant shower was recently installed. The wire seems to be partially burnt down. Let me check the heating elements.
How to access the heating elements.
Twist anti-clockwise at the bottom should come out. I can already see signs of a damaged heating element. Move aside the earth wire. Push the cap down to expose the components. This is a piece of the heating element. The heating elements overheated and broke apart. How does it work?
An instant shower, often colloquially referred to as a suicide shower, typically works by passing cold water through a heating element, usually an electric coil, to instantly heat the water before it reaches the showerhead. The unit is connected to an electrical power source, and the heating process is controlled by the user via temperature settings on the top section of device. The heating process is typically triggered by the water pressure. When you turn on the faucet or shower, cold water begins to flow through the unit. As the water pressure increases, it activates a flow switch or pressure switch mechanism within the showerhead. This switch, in turn, signals the heating element to start generating heat. The electric heating element warms the water as it passes through the unit, providing an immediate supply of hot water for your shower. This design ensures electricity is only consumed when there's a demand for hot water. It's a responsive and efficient system that combines water flow and pressure to seamlessly activate the heating element when needed. These showers often come equipped with a temperature control dial or buttons that allow users to select their desired level of warmth. The temperature control mechanism is connected to the heating element inside the unit. When you turn the temperature control dial or press the buttons, you are essentially regulating the power supply to the heating element. Higher settings increase the power, resulting in a hotter water output, while lower settings decrease the power for a cooler temperature. This allows users to customize the intensity of the heat according to their preferences, providing a comfortable and personalized shower experience.
What causes the shower to break?
Several factors can contribute to a Lorenzetti instant shower or any similar device breaking or malfunctioning. 1. Overheating. Running the shower at excessively high temperatures for prolonged periods can lead to overheating of the heating element, causing damage. 2. Mineral buildup. Hard water deposits and mineral buildup in the plumbing or within the shower head can affect the flow of water and reduce the efficiency of the heating element. 3. Electrical issues. Faulty wiring. Short circuits or issues with the electrical components can lead to the breakdown of the shower. 4. Corrosion. Exposure to moisture and water over time can cause corrosion, especially in the electrical components, potentially leading to malfunctions. 5. Poor installation. Incorrect installation, such as improper wiring or plumbing connections, can result in operational issues or damage to the shower. 6. Excessive water pressure. Extremely high water pressure can put stress on the internal components and cause damage. It's essential to install a pressure regulator if needed. 7. Age and wear. Like any appliance, instant showers have a lifespan. Continuous usage over many years may lead to wear and tear, eventually causing components to fail.
To maintain the longevity of your instant shower, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's installation and usage guidelines, perform regular maintenance, and address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. As I wrap up, a crucial reminder: if you encounter any issues, it's advisable to consult an expert before replacing any damaged components, and ensure to follow the installation instructions provided in your showerhead manual. Exercise caution during the process to guarantee not only a smooth shower experience, but also the safety and longevity of your instant shower. To avoid burning the components, run the water supply first, then turn back on the power supply. If you have further questions or insights to share, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on household essentials. Until next time, take care and enjoy your perfectly warm showers.